In this video, I'll show you an easy way to copy and paste text into your Ubuntu virtual machine inside the EVNG environment. By default, copy and paste don't work in the built-in EVNG console. Let me show you an example. I'll try copying the command from the web page and pasting it inside the Ubuntu terminal. When I right-click, the paste option is disabled here. So, we will use SSH access from the host computer instead. First, check your Ubuntu VM's IP address using the command IPA. Next, make sure SSH is installed and active using sudo systemctl status SSH. Here, we can see that SSH is not found on my device. So, I'll install SSH by running these two commands one by one. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install openssh-server -y. Now, when I check the status of SSH again using sudo systemctl status SSH, it shows that SSH is active and running. Keep your Ubuntu IP address ready. Now, open command prompt or terminal on your host computer and type SSH username and IP address. We've now successfully connected to our Ubuntu VM from the Windows PC using SSH. Let's test copy and paste here. I'll copy a command from the web page, and when I right-click in the terminal, the command is successfully pasted. You can also do the same using the PuTTY terminal. Enter your Ubuntu IP address, set the port to 22, select SSH, and click Open. Once you log in, you'll be inside your Ubuntu VM. Now, I'll copy another command from the web page. And as you can see, it's successfully pasted here as well. Now you've learned an alternate and easy way to perform copy and paste in your Ubuntu VM inside EVNG. This method saves time and makes working in EVNG much easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick EVNG and Linux tips.